Hello, 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 nope, oops. I almost said Capricorn, but this is not a Capricorn reading. It's a Scorpio reading. Maybe you are messing with a Capricorn for some of you, or having Capricorn energy. Maybe just a moon sign for some of you. That just randomly hit me for some reason. But okay, we are getting into your love reading, Scorpio. Scorpio, Scorpio, lovely water sign. Great baby. Thank you for coming. I hope you're being safe out there. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, tap my buttons for me. Subscribe. Please interact with my videos and let me know what you like. This is the Faith of Three channel. I am your reader, Kay. I am going to give you some love messages today, Scorpio. We'll see what's going on with that Scorpio energy, that intense energy of Scorpio. Quick shuffle on my index card messages that are for your subconscious, your person's subconscious, or universal message. And I feel that energy heating up for our Scorpios. What index messages are for our Scorpios? Their love lives. What does their person want them to know? Or what does Scorpio really need to know about themselves? We only got one message so far. And I'm moving past you. Oof. I feel that's a lot of you moving past your ex, possibly. But I'm going to keep shuffling here, Scorpio. Cards are not coming easy. They weren't that easy for my last reading either. We have soon. This is fate. This one that's popping. No communication. Oof. Did we mean nothing? I'm feeling a lot of that one from your person, Scorpio. We will be together again. I feel they really agitated you for some of you, Scorpio. I will always be here for you. We could have had forever together. I feel there's one more in here for you, Scorpio. Where is it? You gonna pop, huh? Oh. And I was wrong. Okay, there's your messages from the index cards. Let me see what I can feel from these, Scorpio. Oh. It's just a heavy energy with this. I feel y'all had a tight union together. I feel some of you were deeply involved. Not that some Scorpios hop from one relationship to another now and then, but most don't. They heal emotionally and stick to a very, how do I say, not a select few, but they have very few heavy relationships in their lifetime. And I feel you got burned. Or you got really fed up with this person. They really pushed you to the brink, Scorpio. I'm shadowing my own table. But yes. And you're sticking with this energy of, I'm moving past you, I feel. That's a lot of you. Maybe some of your people, but... And I also feel this is kind of a tug-of-war of... It goes on both sides of you want to let go, but can't. There's some regret here. My dog is walking around my table. She bumped my camera, but I just feel this was a very soul-twisting, in-depth soulmate feeling. That's what I'm really feeling here with this person, and it's just like, we can't do this anymore. And you've completely broken off communication for some of you. It was really back and forth energy. Okay, let's draw from the romance deck. For our Scorpios here, one quick shuffle. I typically always pre-shuffle my decks for the reading. What cards are for our Scorpios here? Honeymoon. And that card to me, as I said, I can decipher cards 20 different ways, especially ones like these. I feel you'll really put distance between each other. That honeymoon card. One of you or both of you moved from Love Yourself First came in. The True Love card came up, which is, I'm feeling this could have been, that matches with this. We could have been, we could have had forever together, and that says this is the romance of a lifetime. As I said, I feel this was a really heavy soulmate connection to that point, possibly twin flame. Y'all had hard times expressing to each other. Communication was not easy. Ooh, that one went to the floor. I don't see it. There it is. You deserve love. I'm feeling maybe your person did not say I love you enough, that they said one thing and did another. Anything up for our Scorpios here? Finances and career could have been involved. I felt like maybe your person was holding back because of their career finances. They felt they weren't good enough in that aspect, and you were always like, love doesn't always have to rely on finances. I mean, it's for Scorpios, it's like, yeah, stability is really nice, but when Scorpios really dive into a relationship, they're like, we can go through this no matter what hurricane we go through, financially, career-wise, or whatever. As long as we stick together, we can pull through this. And I don't feel your person, Scorpio, really saw that type of situation. They're like, I want to give you complete stability. Anything else out of this deck for Scorpio? Two more, and I'm calling it that. Unrequited love came up. And passion. Oh, Scorpios, you drip with passion. I feel maybe you really smothered this person to some extent, or they felt smothered by you. And it was driving them, like they were really attached to you, really were into you. But I felt, as I said, there's a lot of tug-of-war energy here. Expression, like I was saying, was very hard for possibly both of you or them. The communication wasn't heavy enough. your passion, like I said, I felt you got smothered. The unrequited love is telling me that they kept shoving you away, even though they wanted you. I feel they're kind of immature, possibly, or not. They weren't prepared for this type of relationship. They thought they could handle it, and they can't really. I feel they spent a lot of time at work, hiding from the relationship in their own way. Let me put these aside and get the next. Fairy Oracle messages for Scorpio, please. What messages are for Scorpio? Friendship. So rely on your friends, Scorpio. You're really going to need them at this time. I know most Scorpios have very tight-knit circles when it comes to their real friends. But I feel you're going to rely on them a lot at this time. We have motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairies urge you to spring into action. If there's something you've been merely thinking about doing, they say get busy and do it. I feel that's telling you to really focus on hobbies, new skills you want to learn, possibly work to some extent, go plant you a garden, take up a new hobby, go to the gym, Scorpio. It'll help you focus and start clearing out the situation, and I don't feel you really want to reconnect with this person. Maybe a handful of you do. You need some solitude time, focus on yourself, decompress, release this past energy. Stargazing, go adventure, take a vacation if you need to. Spring is coming, go hang out on, go be a teenager and go have spring break for a week or two and find yourself again. Figure it out, work it all out, sort your emotions. I know how deep those run for you, Scorpio, and how deep your passion runs, and I feel this was a major blow for you. It's highly frustrating, agitating, painful. And almost for some of you, I feel it's complete disbelief of how this played out. You have transformation on the bottom for you, Scorpio. You're always transforming. This is another transformation stage for you. I'm fixing to do tarot. I'm going to move these other cards and clarify a few of these cards for you and see what other information tarot wants to give for the reading. Okay, which one of these do I want to... I want to do Did We Mean Nothing, The Soon, That I Was Wrong, We Will Be Together Again, and No Communication. Those are the ones I will clarify with tarot. I will go from there. Tarot cards, oh, right there. Okay, one quick shuffle for Scorpio, please. Clarify soon, please, spirits, guides. Clarify that for Scorpios. The Star. The Ace of Swords. So you feel this, I feel this is related to a new beginning, but you feel it's a double-edged sword moving on, Scorpio. You have high hopes and high energy for the future with that star. What else for that soon energy here? What else for that soon for our Scorpios? Anything else for that soon? That one jumped. I'll take it. The World in reverse. Ooh. You know what that tells me? That it's not the beginning, the new opportunities you really want. The Star came first, then the Ace of Swords. You had way more high hopes in your past, but now you're forced into a new beginning. But you don't feel like it is. You feel like your opportunities have been cut off. That this relationship was a lot to you. It was interweaved in every aspect of your existence. On the bottom, we have Four of Swords, needing rest. You're going to rest. You're going to go on vacation. You're going to take a break from everything, I feel. This has been a heavy drain on you, Scorpio. What is this? We will be together again. The Lovers, of course. I feel this is more of your person saying that. Some of you, I feel, in a way, kind of want that because it's so raw for you. Six of Cups. The happy memories again. Wanting to come back from this past situation. Want to move on from it. What else for that? We will be together again, please. Page of Swords. Always looking back over your shoulder or their shoulder. I'm feeling this is mostly towards your person. I feel you might have it a little too for some of you. That it's like the what if. What if we could have made it? What if this? What if that? Okay, on the bottom, the Emperor. I feel like a lot of you felt you were really in your energy with this person, even though it was so tug of war like things weren't really working out the way you wanted them. Okay, let's do this. No communication, please. What is for no communication? Nope, that one on the floor. Queen of Cups. I feel with that one of you does want to talk, the other one doesn't. I feel your person is mainly on that side. Even though that is Scorpio energy, the cup energy. Actually, no, I just heard it in my head saying Scorpio cut the communication off. A lot of you did. Yeah. I mean, it was hard to do it, but you got to that point you had to do it. Moon in reverse is on the bottom. Along with the Ten of Cups, Eight of Wands. But the Moon in reverse tells me that you're not wondering about this relationship anymore, Scorpio. You're like, I know what I need to do now. I'm not walking in the dark anymore. I'm going to the light, and I will do what I have to do. What else for this no communication? That one flipped. Seven of Swords. Three of Cups. It was a relief for you. You felt like you were backstabbing them, but at the same time it was relief. And the Chariot. Yeah, moving forward. Holding your ground, I feel. Traveling, taking that break, I feel. It's what you have to do. It is a victory through might. You're holding your ground, like I said. Please clarify, did we mean nothing? Please clarify, did we mean nothing? On the floor, come back card. 8 of Pentacles. I feel with that one is you, or both of you, you and your person, feel after all the work we put into this relationship. I'm leaning more towards your person in this as well. But after all, like, it's like, I feel they're saying, like, after all this work that we've put into this relationship, you're just going to walk away with that 8 of Pentacles. The Fool on the bottom. Leap of faith. Like them saying, you took a leap of faith and by leaving. The Devil. I felt this relationship was toxic and binding you. A lot of jealousy involved. You felt chained to this person in a way that it was dragging you down. Queen of Swords. Cut them off cold. See that sword she's holding? Cut them off cold. For no communication. You made them feel like it meant nothing to you. Also, the King of Cups came out. We have a match on the board. The Queen of Cups here with no communication. King of Cups on. Did we mean nothing? As I said, I feel that is more of them saying, did we mean nothing? And you showed them when you went cold that, and you put up your front, Scorpio, and said, no, we didn't. Even though you were kind of lying to them and yourself, you just could not handle the heartache anymore. I was wrong. We have Ace of Pentacles. The Four of Swords. I was wrong. Seven of Pentacles. I feel that's on both of you. That it goes back to, oh, we put all the work in. But now you've given up. I thought this was supposed to be our wish fulfillment, our divine wish, our greatest relationship, to be together. 5 of Pentacles, left out in the cold. They're saying you left them out in the cold. That they were wrong about you. I'm feeling they're saying on for some of you. Okay, anything else for this reading for Scorpio? Five of Wands, no more fighting, no more competition. Two of Wands, travel. I feel that's that vacation, related to vacation, taking time. And Four of Wands, stepping back into some type of peace of mind for you, Scorpio. Anything else for Scorpio in this reading? Death. There's your energy again. You're done with this relationship. 6 of Pentacles. you're going to slowly improve yourself back up. Things are going to be all right. I feel you're going to focus a lot more on work after this situation happened. Temperance is on the bottom, but in reverse. Yeah, like I said, you're really withdrawing. You're not going to step into another relationship for a good while, I feel, for most of you. You don't want to balance that right now. You just want to be in your own energy, I feel, with that one. Anything else for the Scorpio reading? But you will find your Ten of Cups. You will find your emotional balance again. You will find yourself again. I feel some of you, not in the near future, but further out, will find a decent person. A decent match for you. Okay, I'm going to draw a few star signs for you, my little star shapes. Let's see, this one. Moon and Taurus. These could be dealing with your natal chart, your person's natal chart. There's also some messages in here I wrote out. Like here's one. It says, every day is a day to change, mend, and mold a better tomorrow. Or this could be a sign you need to research if it's a particular zodiac sign. Even in darkness, answers can be seen. Pisces, Venus and Leo, Capricorn. Look, there's that Capricorn again. And last one, it's a message card. It's easier to stay negative, but finding the positives. What does that say? Hold up. It's easier to stay negative, but finding the positive lifts all vibrations. Ooh, but that's what I'm feeling for you. This is your reading. I feel I want to draw a couple, 3 or 4 maybe of these heart cards for Scorpio. Believe. Don't stop believing, Scorpio. Don't stop thinking love doesn't exist when you have a few bad fallouts, fall-throughs. Just say yes. Trust the whispers of your heart. Follow your heart. Love is compromise, which I feel your person was not giving you. Release self-doubt. You did the right thing, Scorpio, for you. Always do what you feel is right for you. Watch the signs. Look, could have been that twin flame. Like I feel there was like either a soulmate or twin flame type of thing. I feel there's one more here. Release the past and negativity. Okay, Scorpio, that's your reading I have for you. If it resonates, go ahead and tap my buttons. Interact with this video so I know you liked it. Please subscribe, share, and comment. So others know we're here. It helps build this channel up. Know that pain is growth, even though that is not very helpful. When a heartbreak happens, just know that in time you will heal. Even though if you can feel completely lousy over the situation, for those of you it involves, know that time does heal. You've got to let yourself grow, heal, mend. Focus on you, Scorpio. Do healthy habits. I hope you make wise choices and stay safe out there, Scorpios. And thank you for watching. And I hope to catch you again.